Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Amazon doesn't let customers split transactions. No, officially you can't do that. That's because there's a sneaky way to do it, using the card balance to buy an online gift card and emailing it to yourself. This is also a useful tip if you're splitting the cost of an expensive gift. 5 December 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Visa gift cards should be registered to make it harder to use a stolen credit card online. Many websites use a procedure called Address Verification System (AVS) to ensure the card number being used for payment matches the billing address on file with the bank. 3 May 2020.
Take our lead.
When you look at an online shopping cart, you will generally see a field to enter a gift card number. It might say, "Apply gift card to transaction," and a field to enter a debit or credit card. Without a little creativity, there is generally no way to use more than one Visa card to complete an online purchase.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, you can use multiple gift cards, however you cannot allocate certain amount from one GC and certain amount from other GC and make a purchase. Instead, you can completely use funds from one GC, and if order amount is still more than that, pay the balance with another GC or through any valid payment options.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.